Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll continue learning CSS. In this video we will talk about pseudo-classes and pseudo-elements in CSS. These powerful tools help us style elements in special ways and add content without changing HTML. Let's start with pseudo-classes. Pseudo-classes allow us to style elements based on their state or position. Let's create some examples. Let's create button and add some text like click here. Okay. And let's add some styles for our button using our tag and change background color and add border radius and some padding. Okay, let's look at the window. Here is our button, but let's add color, delete border and change font size. Okay, and let's also change padding and position, add width, fit content and margin auto. Also add 0. Okay, and add display block. Okay, here's our button. And first we will talk about hover. Create new rule, button, and use tag button and also add hover. And let's add some styles. Change background color, add some new color and change text color. But I think it doesn't necessarily. Okay, let's look at the window. Like you see, when we move the mouse, our button is background color change. Okay, let's go to next pseudo class. Its name focus, and we need to create input and add. We can add placeholder, enter your text. Okay, and close this tag. Okay, let's look at the window. Here's our input. We can change something. We can delete margin, and we can use this class and add display flags and justify content center, but also we need to add flags direction column. Okay, and now we need to change item center. Okay, here's our input and let's try to use in our focus. Okay, now let's use in our input tag and add focus. Okay, and let's try to change opacity for our placeholder. Add placeholder and opacity 0. Okay, like you see, when people will be click on an input field, our placeholder will be disappeared. It's our useful animation, but usually we also add transition because it's disappeared too fast. Okay, let's go next. Next we need to create some elements. Let's create a list with element Lee and add 3 items. Okay, and change numbers, and these pseudo class names is nth-child. Thanks to this pseudo class we can add styles for any elements. Let's try to add a style for 2 elements. Copy our Lee and using our nth-child. Here we can add word or numbers. I'll be using number, and let's try to change color for our 2 element. Add color green. Like you see, our 2 element changed color. It's very useful pseudo class because sometimes we need to add stuff for special elements, but we also have other pseudo class like first child. Let's try to add first child, and now we add style only first element, and also we have last element. We can use last child and any properties for styles as special element, but I think nth-child it's the most popular because we use this pseudo class very often, and if you want to know more information about pseudo class like first child, last child and nth-child, you can go to my channel and see video about CSS pseudo class. Okay, next let's talk about pseudo elements. Pseudo elements allow us to add content before or after an element or style specific parts of an element. It's a very useful elements because sometimes we don't can using our HTML markup, and we can use these properties, but also sometimes we don't want to create HTML markup, and we also can using before and after. Okay, let's try to use these pseudo elements. Create new text h5 and add some text inside. Add something like this is our title. Okay, and now let's add pseudo element for our title using our tag and before first. And we always have property content inside before rule, and we can add any contents like number, string and other. Okay, let's, like you see now we got number before our string, and also we can use after. It works the same, but now will be after our string. Okay, and let's go next. Next we also can using first letter, and thanks to this property we can add stuff for our first letter. I use this property very rarely, but sometimes we have specified design and we need this property. Also, let's speak about first line. Again, using our lead tag and using pseudo element first line. Now we don't see any changes because we have only one line, but if we add some text we'll see some changes. Let's copy this text and add max width to our Lee tag. Add max width Okay, like you see, our color changed only for first line. Other lines didn't change. Okay, thanks for watching this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and see you in the next video.